Let's take a minute and talk about this, because I see a lot of people jokingly say that I started the coin shortage, but you seem like you're pretty serious about it. So I want to take a minute and talk about it with you. So first of all, you say that I'm not making new coins. I legally can't make new coins. The only people that can is the mints, and they decided to make less coins. So if you have a problem with that, you should take it up with the US Mint. The second factor that really seems to be affecting the coin shortage is a circulation problem, with a lot of businesses closing or just not able to be open during the pandemic. Less money changed hands, and more people started using electronic payment, credit cards, PayPal, all these different electronic payments. And so it's not us. It's the flow of coins that's the problem. There's plenty of coins out there. They're just not moving around the way they used to. And honestly, I'm kind of flattered that you think that one guy could have such a major effect on the US economy, but starting a small business actually increases the flow of money. So I'm reducing the coin shortage by starting a small business. But still, mathematically, if you took the number of coins I worked on, say, in a given year, and compared it to the number of coins produced in a given year, the percentage of the coins that I work on from that amount that is produced is super tiny, man. It's you probably wouldn't even be able to tell the difference if I stopped making coin rings completely. And as far as calling me a copycat, I think that's kind of interesting, because people like to do things that other people are doing that they find interesting. And I feel like that's all I've done. Yes, I saw other people doing this, and I thought it was very interesting. And I've been doing it for over 2 years myself. I think it's pretty cool. It's fun. My customers seem to like what I do, and I don't think I'm hurting anybody. So I'm sorry if I rubbed you wrong, bud, but I don't think you can really blame the coin shortage on me and people doing similar things to me. It's really out of our hands and is a more complicated issue than you made it sound. Either way, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.